25 things you can do to improve your English. Have a read of the below list and we are sure you will find a lot of helpful tips to improve your English. 1. Don't be put off by a bad test score. Sometimes students have the ability to pass an English test, but can't communicate well as with English speakers. If you can speak freely in English, you should be proud of yourself. 2. Remember that as long as you have tried your hardest, you have succeeded. 3. Learn English with a friend. You'll have someone you can practice with and you can motivate each other to study. 4. Remember, the way we write English is not the same as how it's pronounced. For example, "of" has over 6 pronunciations. Familiarize yourself with the phonetic alphabet. It will help you correctly pronounce words in the dictionary. 5. Get used to the schwa sound D, an unstressed and toneless neutral vowel sound. Schwa is the most common vowel sound in English. For example, the in about and the u in supply. 6. Keep in mind that it takes longer to improve when our level is high. Usually the fastest progress is made when we are beginners. Don't think that you're suddenly not learning anymore, it's just a less noticeable progress. 7. Make sure that your English matches the occasion. It's okay to use slang with friends but not in a business meeting. Decide in which situation it's appropriate to use the words and phrases you have learned. 8. Textbook English is often different from the way we casually speak. To learn casual slang, watch movies. 9. Idioms can be difficult to memorize, but they are great fun to use and they'll make your English more colorful. 10. When talking, we usually link words together so that two words can sound like one. Simply put, we link words ending with a consonant sound to words beginning with a vowel sound consonant vowel. We link words ending with a vowel sound to words beginning with a vowel sound vowel vowel. Practice these to improve your listening and pronunciation. 11. Make use of the internet. It's full of resources to help you learn. BBC Learning English, learnenglish.senglish.com. 12. Think about your strong and weak points. Write down which areas you want to improve on and work on improving them. Of course, don't ignore your strong points. Congratulate yourself on how well you've done. 13. Unlearn your mistakes. You probably make the same grammar mistakes over and over again. Use English test results as a study tool. Go over your mistakes and choose one or two that you want to focus on. Use your favorite grammar book to check rules. 14. Use the correct article a, an, the. Be aware that there is more to this rule than a/an equals non-specific, the equals specific. For example, a university, not an university, because it begins with a consonant sound. An hour, not to hour, because the h is often silent. 15. For fluency, try image training. Before you go to that restaurant, think through what the waiter is likely to say to you. Think of what phrases you are going to use. 16. Much communication comes through body language and gesture. These can be different between cultures and countries. For example, the two-fingered V for victory symbol is fine palms out. If you make it with you palm facing toward you, you'll offend a British person. It means, well, you ask a British person and find out for yourself. 17. The easiest one, sleep. You'll learn more after a good night's sleep. You'll be able to concentrate more. 18. Take an English course in an English-speaking country. 19. If you're studying abroad, mix with people from other countries, not only people from your own country. It's not a good idea for you to live in a shared house with people from your own country. Enjoy a more cultural experience by spending time with other nationalities. 20. Have you thought about getting a job or doing an internship abroad? 21. Get yourself a qualified teacher who wants to learn wrong things. 22. Nobody can learn all of the English language. No need to worry about trying. A useful shortcut to learning is that in English we have lots of words that have the same pronunciation, but a different spelling and meaning. For example, come here has the same pronunciation as, I can hear the birds. You might find it easier to build vocabulary by knowing the different meanings. 23. Once you have a basic level of English, explore the different ways you can say the same thing. This makes your English more interesting to the listener, and it shouldn't be too difficult for you because you already know the basics. For example, how many ways can we say goodbye in English? 24. When you are on your English course, be prepared for your class. Do your homework as soon as possible and hand it in on time. Review your notes and your last lesson a few minutes before the class. Doing this will refresh your memory and you'll be warmed up for lesson. 25. Don't get distracted in class. Focus on the lesson, don't stare out of the window. Don't be late, arrive a few minutes before the start of the lesson. Don't sit next to people who won't speak to you in English. Switch off your phone. Be organized. Remember to take your textbook, notebook and pen.